Hello friends, it's Nails by Ray and welcome back to the channel. I hope you're having a beautiful day, and if you're new here, welcome to your new favorite nail channel. Today I have a quick video on this puffy nail heart trend, so come on in, sit back, relax. Remember to hit that subscribe button and follow me on my socials if you haven't already. And let's get on with the video. Alright, so I have a long square nail tip down. I filed a little bit to give a slight moon cut curve at the tip, but I'm going in with some base gel and I'm going to cure that under my nail lamp for 60 seconds. I'm using this pink gel polish from Beetles. This was a part of one of their kits that they sent me a few months back. And because this gel polish is so nice and thick, I only needed one coat of this and then I cured it for 60 seconds.
My diamonds gon' shine when the lights dark. You and I take a ride down the boulevard. And your friends really wanna break us apart. Good Lord. All set. Good place. Staring at my diamond while I'm hopping out of spaceship. Your information, take vacation to Malaysia. My baby, the pepper bunch of flashing crazy. Swallow the bottle while I sit back and smoke gelato. Fucking my mentor, 20,000 patent Picasso. Bitch, be dipping, dabbing with niggas like a nacho. Up a pen and diamond dancing like Rick Ricardo. With the color working on the bachelor. Now you gotta pass, I gotta pass, it's in the back of what?
I'm going in with some matte top coat, and this is a matte top coat from Beetles as well. It came in the kit that I mentioned earlier. I'm just going to apply a quick little layer of this just to mattify the base, because when you're doing this nail set or this nail style, it's easier to draw the hearts on with a matte base. So now that the nail is matte, I'm going to go in with my nail art brush and draw on the hearts. I'll be using the same color that I used earlier, and I'm just going to start by drawing the hearts. Usually I do like to go with a dotting tool and draw from there, but I didn't do that this time and they still came out good. I also did have to wipe off one of my hearts and start over just so that I can fit 3. Because before, the way I had drawn it, I was only able to fit 2, and I felt like this nail needed 3 hearts.
Kept it on the radio, open till 10 for you and your friends. You know how I spend in HOUSTON. I get too crazy, had a little bad enough. We stay good friends, we get too wavy. All I know is that when this cup ends, the next one begins. My babe, you know me, and you knew me back then. And you know how it goes when I see you again. You know I'm making wait till your ends, and you know I need you to be there for me. You a little so baby, you a little 48 baby. Got a little candy in her pocket, she gon' take off like a. You already know, dirtied up a couple on the north side. Text you, but I know you probably cross side. Know I gotta come and check the whole man, baby, hold tight. Touch the city with the cheap blood stainers, and we got adopted by some fifth ward strangers. You know what it means when I twist these fingers. Me and you being on a first name basis. Why you think I hate it when you talk that Drake shit? Same reason that you never left me hanging. Same reason that I tried to make you famous. Same reason that I tried to show you just who I was. Outside of the club, outside the thing.
celebrating. We're going to Houston, Atlanta, Vegas. Y'all know the Vegas? Now we're in Houston. Definitely going down.
So since this is the puffy heart trend, we want it to look puffy or stand out and give it that 3D effect. I'm going in with that same color that I had used before. I'm going to be mixing this with a darker color, which is also from Beetles, that same kit that I mentioned before, and mixing that with a builder gel. I watched a few tutorials where they only use the color and builder gel. I found it to be not as thick as I wanted it to be, so I then went in with rhinestone gel as well. So it's 2 shades of pink to get that shade that's a little darker than the base, and the builder gel and rhinestone gel to thicken it up so that it kind of holds its shape and doesn't flatten out and run.
I got delicious taste. You need a woman's touch in your place. Just protect her and keep her safe. Baby, push it my hips and waist. So feminine with grace. I touch your soul when you hear me say, boy, let me be your woman. Let me be your woman. I can be your woman. Let me be your woman. I can be your woman, I'm a motherfucker, but they got a problem. Put some babies in your life and take away the drama. Put the paper in the picture like a diorama. Gotta face a lot of people of the opposite, cause the world told me he ain't got the common sense. Gotta prove it to myself that I'm on top of shit. And you would never know a guy without a goddess. Is honest, is fucking honest, kid. And I could be on everything. I mean, I could be the leader, head of all the states. I could smile and jiggle it till his pockets empty. I could be the CEO, just like a Robin Fenty. And I'ma be there for you, cause you on my team, girl. Don't ever think you ain't hell of these niggas' dream, girl. They wanna pit us against each other when we succeed, and for no reasons. They wanna see us end up like Gina or Mean Girl. Princess or queen, tomboy or king. You've heard a lot you've never seen.
Since I already drew out my hearts, I just need to trace over it with this thicker gel that I've created, and as I move it around carefully, I'm just filling out the hearts, and you'll notice that it stays in place, which is the whole reason I added the builder gel and the rhinestone gel. And after I was done, I cured it under my nail lamp for 60 seconds, and I ran over this part and did it again 2 more times, so it's a total of 3 times just to make it extra thick and 3D. Now I'm going in with that same gel mixture and I'm going to fill out the rest of the nail. And this did take me a little while only because I'm using a thin brush, but I didn't want to risk using a bigger brush and mess it up because this is my first attempt at this. And this is called a slip layer, which is what I learned from watching the videos that I learned this nail design from. And you're not supposed to get too close to the hearts, and I did so to create the slip layer all around the nail, and then I got a little closer, but not, you don't want the gel to touch the hearts so that it kind of looks like it's sticking out and gives it that puffy nail effect. And this is a pretty tedious nail art design, which is why I decided only to do one nail instead of an entire set. So this would be any nail artist's nightmare, any nail tech's nightmare. So it's a cute design, it just takes a lot of time. If you're patient, it's perfect for you. And I also did this 3 times, curing after each layer. So basically I'm done with the design. I'm just gonna go in with some top coat, and you don't want to use a thick amount of top coat. Thin is best just because you don't want to flood the indents by the hearts so that it can remain 3D looking. Alright you guys, so that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. I hope you guys loved how these nails came out, and if you do, be sure to hit that like button, comment, subscribe, and turn on those notifications so that you never miss any uploads from my channel. And I will see you in the next video.